Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to stream via Wi-Fi only on YouTube Music app. And now let's dive right in. Now to stream on Wi-Fi only on the YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings button over here just above help and feedback. And when you land on this interface, you can see the data saving button available for us just below playback. Tap on the data saving option, and you can see, guys, the second option here says stream via Wi-Fi only. And now in order to stream on Wi-Fi only on the YouTube Music app, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option where it says stream via Wi-Fi only, and then you'll start to stream via Wi-Fi only on the YouTube Music app. And then, guys, this is how to stream on Wi-Fi only on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.